Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Wednesday, 15th of April. We're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. This is the 4-day chart. So as you can see, the price has got kind of supported at the price of 1.0538 right before the previous low at 1.0471. Fibo expansion 1.4%, and then price starts to retrace. And the moment right now we are seeing the price is slowly or rather begin to fall again right before it touches a key resistance at 1.0716. Not forgetting to mention that if you zoom in the 1-hourly chart and plot a Fibo retracement, this level itself is actually the Fibo retracement level of 38.2%. So we actually were expecting price to appreciate a little bit further till it touches this level before we really go for the short opportunity. Alright, so at this point of time, we would just like to wait to see if there's still a possibility that price will reverse and go and starts to retrace even further for the better price to go for the shorts. Alright, next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, for the charts. So we are seeing that there's the falling trend line over here. Alright, price has been resisted by the trend line, as you can see, and price has gotten supported again at the support level at 0.7421. Alright, this is actually quite a good support level based on past record. Used to be a past support level, resistance level, then it turned into support level again, and then it came down for the second time, got rebounded off, then it starts to retrace. So right now we're actually waiting for the price to go for the short opportunity, preferably when the price goes back to all the way back to the falling trend line itself. But however, at this moment itself, if you zoom in the smaller time frame, for example the 15-minute chart, we are seeing that the price begins to fall at the previous level at 0.7547. Alright, so there's 2 points here, and this itself actually shows that price might just fall even further. Alright, however, in the 4-day chart itself, we are also seeing a very strong pullback. So, but this candle itself has yet to form finish. So we shall see what will happen later on. All right. If not, we would like to wait for price to really just retrace a little bit further before we go for the short opportunity. All right. So next we have the pound against the US dollar. All right. As you can see, that price has rebounded off as it got supported at 1.4558, Fibo expansion 141.4%. Actually, it has yet to touch, but it's very close really. But anyway, price has retraced all the way to the resistance level at 1.4799. At the same time, resisted by the 55 moving average, and it starts to fall. But what we would like to see is that is for the price to retrace a little bit back to the same resistance level and close enough to the falling trend line that's being plotted here before we go for a short opportunity again. Of course, overall we are seeing that price will still fall further as it has just broken new low recently, also due to the political unrest in the UK itself. Alright, so just zoom in the smaller time frame and just wait for price to retrace back to the same resistance level 147.99 to look for a short opportunity. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Next we have the Aussie against US dollar. Alright, price has came all the way down, got supported at the previous low at the price of 0.7554. Alright, in fact it came down one more time and then it starts to rebound off. But however, this morning itself it starts to fall again as the China posted the China has posted industrial production at 5.6%, which is lower than the forecast of 6.9%, showing that there's a drop in the demand from the Australia for things like the commodities like iron ore, stuff like that. So that's why the Aussie begins to fall again. So at this moment itself, if you zoom the smaller time frame, alright, we would actually like to see if there's actually an opportunity in the smaller time frame to go for a long, because we are still expecting price to retrace or appreciate a little bit further till it touches the resistance level at 0.7656. Or you can see that this is actually like a range. So we would expect price to really start to fall only when it touches the level over here 0.7656. Alright. So that's for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. there was actually or rather there is actually a rising trend channel in the 4-hourly chart itself. So what happened is that yes, last night prices came all the way down, got supported at the bottom of the rising trend channel, and it starts to rebound off. But right now we are seeing some form of a exhaustion. So what can happen next is that if we would like to see price retrace all the way back to at least support level at 119.40, or all the way to the bottom of the rising trend channel again to go for another long opportunity, right? And of course we are expecting price to appreciate further. But at this moment, just think on that it seems that the Bank of Japan is pretty comfortable with their currency right now, or rather they are actually saying that the price level at 105 would be appropriate for the economy, whereby the price right now is a lot higher than what they have mentioned right there. Alright, but however, in terms of the monetary policy itself, we are seeing that the Federal Reserve is moving towards raising interest rates, while the Bank of Japan might still might still expand its monetary policy stimulus. So the main fundamental has yet to change, and therefore there's still a possibility that dollar will still appreciate against the Japanese yen. Alright, so that's for the dollar against Japanese yen, and a little bit of sharing on the fundamental sides. Next, we have the dollar against Swiss franc. Alright, so we see that the price for dollar against Swiss franc has fell, and it got supported at the 200 moving average, followed by a very strong pullback. So this is a sign that price may continue to appreciate further from here. So what we would like to see is that in the smaller time frame itself, we would like to see price come back to the same level at the 200 moving average, probably somewhere at the price of 0.9684, to look for a better price to go for the long opportunity right here. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And with that, I've come to the end of today's live trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.